This is the donation of Rambichakama, who live in Bangladesh, who is in Bangladesh man. We learned together at City International Buddhist Academy last years ago. He donated his money to Samasri Monastery, which is situated at Wachap village in Sakai. He would like to donate this money since you had the earthquake in Myanmar. Also, since he saw on my post when he had the earthquake and saw the collapse building of Samasri Monastery, he felt broke. Therefore, he like to donate this money. I really appreciate all your donation, bro. I wish you have a great life as long as you live in the world. I really thank you. May you be happy, may you be healthy, also may you be worthy. You can promote the sadhana. Okay, thank you.